Hey YouTubers, this is Chevy out here. I have here beside me my 2014 Polaris 570 Sportsman. And like most of you, or I would say at least some of you, who bought this particular Sportsman, I have had trouble with some rattling noises when I'm riding it. I took it into the dealership, asked them to look at it. They put on some washers, told me that would fix the problem. It didn't. So I took it upon myself to take it apart and figure out what it was doing and why. Now I'm making this video because I've gone on YouTube myself and can't find any other videos really that show what the problem is and how to fix it. But I did find out what it's doing and how to fix it. Now if you notice, I've kind of got a little bit pre-disassembled here just to save time. What I do here, we're going to take the seat off. Take this little piece on here. Now, if you notice, what I'm going to do here is show you this linkage right here. Now this actually runs up to your shifter. And what it's doing is it's vibrating on your exhaust system. This is a heat shield. Now the way I chose to fix it, and you can follow my advice or not, I'm warning you just now, this is not a factory or a Polaris recommended fix, but it did work for me. If you notice right here, I took a hammer and put a little ding in it. Now of course I had to remove it to do that. But just that little ding, and it wasn't much, it was only like a 1/16 of an inch or so, just enough where this clears. And the rattling is gone. Now, maybe they could have engineered it better, I don't know. This worked for me. Be careful if you do choose this route not to bend it too far, because if you go too far you will actually hit the exhaust and then you'll be rattling on the exhaust and be right back to square one. To put it back together is pretty simple. Same way it came apart. This piece here. You just got to slide this piece back in. Just take these little clips. I don't know if you can see them here, they're just basic little clips. All you need is a screwdriver and a pair of pliers to get them out. They're real simple. We'll put those back in the hole here. If you can line up this right. Put that back in and put your seat back. Now obviously there's more than one door saving time here. In the interest of time, I'm not going to put this all back together, but it's a fairly simple procedure. I hope this helps you, and trust me, if you do it right, the rattle is gone for good. Thank you for watching.